If your LG monitor is not producing sound, don't panic. It's a common issue with simple fixes. LG monitors, like many modern displays, often come with built-in speakers. However, sound output depends on proper settings and connections. Here's a video to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Number 1. Check the basics before diving into technical solutions. Ensure the following. Volume settings. Check if the monitor's volume is muted or set to 0. Use the monitor's on-screen display OST menu to adjust it. Cables. Confirm the connection of your monitor to your PC or device. For sound, use an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. DVI and VGA cables do not carry audio signals. External devices. If using external speakers, ensure they are properly connected to the monitor's audio out port. Number 2. Select the correct audio output. Your computer might be sending audio to the wrong device. Follow these steps to ensure the monitor is selected. For Windows, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab. Select your LG monitor from the list and click Set Default. For macOS, open System Preferences and go to Sound. Under the Output tab, select your LG monitor. Number 3. Test different ports and devices. Try a different HDMI port. If your monitor has multiple HDMI ports, switch to another one. Use another device. Connect a different device, like a laptop or gaming console, to check if the issue persists. Number 4. Reset monitor settings. If the issue remains unresolved, reset your LG monitor to its factory settings. This can typically be done through the OST menu under Settings or General. When to contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still face sound issues, it may indicate a hardware fault. Contact LG's customer support for further assistance or professional repair.